The SH-60B and SH-60F helicopter fleet of the U.S. Navy was replaced by the MH-60R Seahawk multi-mission naval helicopter, popularly known as Romeo, which was created by Sikorsky Aircraft. Lockheed Martin Mission Systems and Training's cutting-edge mission systems and sensors are integrated into the MH-60R. The helicopter is designed to perform a variety of tasks, including as anti-submarine warfare (ASuW), anti-surface warfare (ASuW), surveillance, communications relay, search and rescue (SAR), naval gunfire support (NGFS), people transport, vertical replenishment (VERTREP), and logistics support. From cruise ships, frigates, amphibious ships, cruise ships, destroyers, and aircraft carriers, it can be launched. And let's check it out how this became the best anti-submarine helicopter. Hey guys, welcome to our channel Future Warplanes, where we tell you about military fighter jets, military drones, military planes from the currently famous in the air to the most advanced around the world, and in addition for latest episodes, we will be covering all military defense news. So stay with us till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this information. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing videos in the future. The U.S. Navy started searching for a new helicopter in the 1970s to replace the Cayman SH-2 Sea Sprite. The Navy employed the SH-2 Sea Sprite as the platform for the Light Airborne Multi-Purpose System LAMPS Mark I avionics suite for maritime combat and a backup capability for search and rescue. The Naval Air Development Center created the LAMPS MK2 suite in response to advancements in sensor and avionic technologies. The LAMPS MK3 proposal, which would integrate both the aircraft and shipboard systems, was then developed following a competition held by the Navy in 1974. IBM Federal Systems has been chosen by the Navy to be the primary systems integrator for the LAMPS MK3 concept. The Navy needed a new airframe since the SH-2 was too small to transport the necessary equipment. For the Utility Tactical Transport Aircraft System competition in the middle of the 1970s, the Army tested the Sikorsky UH-60 and Boeing Vertol UH-61. In order to reduce costs by sharing components, the Navy based its specifications on the Army's UTAS design for the new airframe that will house the LAMPS MK3 avionics. For consideration in April 1977, Sikorsky and Boeing Vertol presented designs for Navy variants of their Army UTAS helicopters. Additionally, the Bell, Cayman, Westland, and MBB helicopters were examined by the Navy, but these were too tiny for the intended use. The S-70B design from Sikorsky, also known as the SH-60B Seahawk, was chosen by the Navy in the early months of 1978. The H-60 airframe is used by the U.S. Navy as the SH-60B, SH-60F, HH-60H, MH-60R, and MH-60S type designations. The first MH-60R helicopter took to the air for the first time in July 2001, after being rebuilt from an SH-60B. The U.S. Navy received the first two MH-60Rs that were brand new in August 2005. Near October 2007, the U.S. Navy formed the first Helicopter Maritime Strike Squadron 71, outfitted with MH-60Rs at Naval Air Station North Island in San Diego. In November 2014, the 200th MH-60R was delivered to the U.S. Navy. With room for 5 passengers, 3 to 4 flight crew members, and a spacious cabin, the MH-60R offers a comfortable working environment. The cabin has a surface area of 6 meters squared and an overall capacity of 8.5 meters cubed, and it measures 3.2 meters long, 1.3 meters high, and 1.8 meters wide. A digital open architecture all-glass Lockheed Martin Common Cockpit Avionics Suite with night vision compatibility is installed in the helicopter. 4 8-inch by 10-inch full-color flight and mission displays, ruggedized integrated military off-the-shelf mission computers, a full digital communication suite, a mass memory data storage unit, and flight management software are all incorporated into the cockpit. A satellite communication system, an inertial navigation system, a global positioning system, and secure VHF-UHF communications are installed in the cockpit. For ASuW missions, the MH-60R helicopter can be equipped with Mk-54 light torpedoes. It can carry a variety of weaponry, including 8 Hellfire anti-surface missiles and 50 caliber guns for ASuW operations. The MH-60R Seahawk Navy helicopter is equipped with a new Telephonics APS-147 multi-mode radar that uses inverse synthetic aperture radar technology to provide imaging and periscope detection at short and long ranges. For operations involving littoral and undersea warfare, the rotorcraft makes use of the AN/AQS-22 airborne low-frequency sonar component, which was developed by Raytheon. A dipping sonar and sonobuoy processing capability are built into the ALFS subsystem. Small arms fire and projectiles of a medium caliber with a high explosive yield have little effect on the MH-60R. Increased battlefield survivability is provided by its airframe and energy-absorbing landing gear. The dual redundant flight control system, ballistic hardened flight controls, a modular transmission system with fail-safe lubrication, triple redundant hydraulics and electrical systems, load-limiting crew seats, and triple redundant hydraulics and electrical systems are additional survivability features. While the main rotor blades can withstand 23mm bullets, the tail rotor includes redundant fail-safe controls. The high-mass parts of the helicopter are made to stay inside the frame even in a 20/20 10G crash. To provide an emergency exit, the cockpit is equipped with doors that can be thrown aside. The cockpit construction and spall-resistant windshield provide the passengers with improved protection. 2 T700 GE401C engines, each with a maximum takeoff power of 2,554 kilowatts, are used to power the MH-60R Seahawk naval helicopter. 2 external tanks and 2 self-sealing gasoline tanks with a 2,230-liter storage capacity are installed. The helicopter can fly at a top speed of 267 km per hour and a top gross weight of 10,659 kg. The Maritime Helicopter Support Company, a partnership between Sikorsky and Lockheed Martin, started building the maintenance and storage facilities in March 2014 to provide through-life support logistical services for the fleet of MH-60R helicopters owned by the Royal Australian Navy. And that ends today's episode. We sincerely hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions or comments, please share them with us in the comments space below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see even more of our incredible videos. You can also check out our other videos that have been specially selected for you. We'll catch up in the next video.